Secret number 3. This one is probably the most important rule. Learn with your ears, not with your eyes. And to speak well, you have to have excellent listening. In school, you mostly learned with your eyes. What did you do? You read a lot of textbooks. You watched the teacher write a lot of stuff on the board. Maybe you listened to the teacher explain English in your language. And that's why you probably read English much better than you speak it or understand it. You've got to listen to a lot of English. That's the key to great speaking. And that's what you have to do. You have to go back and start learning English now. Change the way you're learning it. And instead, learn it like a baby. Learn with your ears. Lots and lots of listening. You should not focus on difficult listening. This is another problem that schools have and a lot of students have. Maybe they do practice some listening, but when they do, it's so difficult. Easy listening is the key. Easy listening will give you great speaking. You should listen to something that you can understand 95% of it without a dictionary. The other 5% you can easily guess. Right? If there is a new word or a new phrase that comes, you can guess the meaning because you understand everything else. And that's how you learn, naturally, new vocabulary. Now, eventually, you listen and listen and listen, and you understand 100%. Well, then it's time for something a little more difficult. Not a lot more difficult, a little more difficult. And then you listen to that again and again and again. When it becomes 100%, then you find something a little more difficult. In this way, you will rapidly increase your ability. After 6 to 12 months, it depends on the person, you will find yourself starting to speak English automatically. Correct phrases and words will pop out of your mouth. Boom! They'll come out without you thinking at all. First, you need to focus on listening and just listening for 6 to 12 months. It's okay if you speak a little bit, but mostly you should be doing lots and lots and lots of easy listening every day. And one last note, your listening ability should naturally and always be higher than your speaking ability. See, what happens is your listening ability pulls up your speaking ability. It happens automatically. You don't need to think about it.